The easiest dessert of all, some strawberries. Wash and take off the hair, and then basically as they are, and once it's washed, some of the water that is there helps you to coat them with sugar.
So they're going on to, this is a non-stick tray, but if it wasn't, we'd maybe put some baking paper on it or something.
Yes. These days we've got those tasteless strawberries, and that's the best way to chef them. Hot and in sugar.
So we're going to serve these with the double baked chocolate souffle,
Yes.
but they'd be beautiful just on their own with some ice
They'd
cream.
be beautiful with a bit of ice cream at home. That's your dessert.
And I think in wild wheat pie, we actually made some little caramelized pastry twists, just some butter puff pastry
Yes.
that we twisted and sprinkled with sugar,
Yes.
popped in the oven, and we served these alongside that.
Yes. That's stretching it too far. If you have some biscuits at home, just put it with it, and the family would love it.
So we can pop these, we can get them ready, and then we'll pop them in the
Only
oven.
about the same time with a souffle.